Natural gas last week gave a gap up opening. It has achieved the high at 2.0506 and has reversed and closed with a drop. As we expected that 2.05 is going to be a resistance, it has reversed from the same levels. Now, does it mean that net gas has reversed? Can we expect it to trade bearish from the current levels, or there is still further bullishness left? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. This is a weekly review. I share the daily targets for natural gas as well. In fact, twice a day, first with the Asia and Europe session and next before the US session. So yes, these two updates a day adds lot much of meaning to your trading decisions. So do press the bell icon, do subscribe the channel to get the notifications. And yes, friends, do like, share and comments. It's always a great motivation to deliver consistently. Let's start. And those who have not yet joined the channel memberships here on YouTube, do join the channel memberships, support the effort and join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Look at the 4-hour charts. You can find out NatGas gave a gap up opening. Since then, it was trading bullish. It has breached the channel and tried to retrace further. Most importantly, it has not yet breached the support levels at 1.8, which is going to be a key level for NatGas in the coming week as well. Now, 1.8 and 1.74, these are the two levels you should watch out for, because below that there is still a gap which needs to be filled towards 1.68. And if it continues to trade filling the gap, now this time if it fills the gap, it is not going to come back down again. Filling the gap, a stronger reversal can be expected if at all it goes towards those levels. Now if you look at the 4-hour charts, see, after the drop, it is consolidated and it has resumed the retracement. Now, after the retracement, we have shared several times 1.9, 1.92, then 1.96. Very stronger support zone is there as long as 1.96. Resistance zone is there as long as 1.96 is there. So it is trying to retrace, but also look at the last few candles. You will find there is a downward push. Price is not willing to stay bullish. At the same time, on the upside, the downside also, there is a good support. If you look at the stochastic, this is retraced. Look at the MACD. This is traded with extreme bearishness. It may try to converge and cross over and resume the rise here. Yes, it can try to stay bullish if it crosses over. RSI is also reversing. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts here. Higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. See, it tried to breach the channel here, but closed well within the channel. Good sign for the bulls, good sign for a reversal. However, we have seen it giving a reversal sign after a trend, and then this sharp drop has appeared. Now, after the drop, we have seen it delivering a doji. Thus, in the coming week, first is if you see it is staying below 1.85, and then if it drops below 1.8, we can say now there is a further drop which can be expected, which can take it till towards 1.7574 as the first targets and then 1.68 as the next target. Though I still see there are great supports available for NatGas on the downside. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green. It is trying to converge. However, if you look largely on the MACD, you will find, look at this, it is forming a nice W and it can continue to do so. So a little conversion does not mean a reversal, but right now it is trying to replicate this here on the candles. Thus be watchful at the current levels. RSI has dropped. Coming to weekly, on the weekly charts, very important point, see higher lows, higher are observed here. It is a bullish trend. Next is, it is still respected the bottom of this channel, and that is where 1.8 levels in the coming week are going to play a major role. 1.8, 1.75 levels, 74 levels, these are two critical levels, because below that 1.68 will be seen. It may fill the gap, and see, it can retrace towards 1.68 in the coming week. Possibility is there, it can fill the gap, and then from there towards the last two trading weeks for this month, we can expect a reversal. So I will still not say that NatGas has turned bearish, because you can also look at, see, first of all, look at the pattern here, drop, retracement. There is a reversal sign here. We have seen it retracing. Then drop, there is a reversal sign and it should retrace. Where are the retracement highs? Towards 2.5, 2.6. So yes, I will still not confirm a reversal as long as 1.6865 zone is respected here on NatGas. Stochastic, after hitting double bottom, it is rising and I expect it to continue with the rise. Now look at, if you look at MACD, after the drop, it is retraced. Now, if this is the main pattern, this is the main trend, it is retracing right now. Look at the slope here and here. This one is quite gradual, so it can again cross over and initiate a buying position. RSI rising from the bottom, coming to month. Now look at monthly charts. The moving average is crossing over here. This is certainly sign of bearishness. Hitting the highs here, retracing towards the monthly period, monthly moving average, we have seen it reversing. But now you should observe the last two candles. The first candle, it has seen a retracement and it has got a downward push. It is closed at the bottom. The next candle comes with a smaller body with a longer tail. This suggests that the prices are not willing to stay bearish. Now, for the month, it is very for net gas to break beyond 2.2. See, right now it is delivering lower highs. This is a concern because lower highs suggest that the prices are not still confirming of the reversal. It has to break beyond 2.2 in order to confirm the reversal, and then it will continue with the rise from these levels here. Now, right now, what is happening? It has formed a wick and it is trying to form a tail as well. So, yes, in the coming week, if it stays below 1.84, you can sell here. Expect 1.8 to 1.8 as the first target zone, very strong support zone. And once it drops below 1.8, we can look forward to 1.7574 as the first target and then 1.68 as the next. And this is not necessarily that this is going to happen in a day or so. I will share the trading levels, but look at the first indicators on the monthly charts. You will find stochastic at bottom again. It can try to reverse. The MACD, look at MACD. MACD is still trading bearish. It is still divergent. It is not showing any signs of reversal. The current candle is going to remain an important decision point for net gas. If it is bullish, it has to start converging from the current levels. RSI is still looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably, trade comfortably. But before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting first week of April. Register yourself now. In this mentorship batch, we equip you with the tools and techniques which can help you identify profitable trades, the trade setups which can help you trade profitably. Yes, do join the mentorship batch. Our years of experience are in nutshell provided to you in this mentorship batch. The next is you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Yes, for any of your queries related to the mentorship batch or the signals channel, you can write an email or you can ping me on Telegram. The next is those who ask me to recommend a broker which is trustworthy and safe with global presence and which offers forex trading across diverse instruments including global indices as well. You can find the recommended broker link. It offers a swap-free account and with lowest spreads if you join through the link. So do join. Find the link in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at the levels to where to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 1.88. One can expect 1.9, 1.92. See, this is the first resistance zone for net gas on the upside. If at any point of time it stays above this, we can say we are looking forward to 1.96, then 2.02. The 2.02, this complete to 2.02, this is the first and very strong resistance. This time if it stays above this, though I will be looking forward to 2.05, but largely the target is going to be 2.1, and then beyond that we are looking forward to 2.2, and these levels will remain applicable for this complete month of March. Yes, this time if it breaks beyond 2.05, just stay bullish, hold your positions, and we will certainly look forward to 2.2 and higher levels very soon. On the downside, where selling entry I recommend is only at 1.84 levels, below which 1.8 to 1.8. This is the first and stronger support zone. If net gas stays below 1.88 levels, you can look forward to 1.75, 1.74 levels, the next support zone. and this is going to remain an important support because below this it is going to fill the gap towards 1.67, 1.68. And remember, even if you see gas at these levels, this will be an ideal buying point for you to stay bullish, as it can bounce back but achieving slightly lower lows. Chances of this appears to be less. I think this gap is going to remain untouched. But yes, these are markets. You have to be watchful, attentive, and alert because net gas for since last few months, more than a year or so, has not shown any signs of a bullishness. Yes, it has retraced, but I will not say it has shown any signs of reversal. Thus, you should be trading with caution. Those who are holding the position should find a good buying opportunity at around 1.65, 68 if it drops towards those levels. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Do watch the twice a day updates. Just press the bell icon, subscribe the channel. Do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend.